Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Now, today's word begins with the letter K, and the word is knowledge. And here's the distinction with that word knowledge. Often you hear people say, I know that. Oh, I know that. And I wonder how often you hear yourself saying that. And the thing is, if you say you know it, but you're not implementing that principle, or you're not living it in your life, you don't really know it. You have it as knowledge, which means it might just be stuck in your head. You haven't actually taken it any further. Now, many years ago, I had the biggest library ever, and I still have a big one. And I read things, but I realized that I didn't actually implement many of the learnings. So all this knowledge was only as good as it was implemented. So have a look around in your life and see what you think you know, and ask yourself, am I implementing this in my life? To ensure that you turn your knowledge into wisdom, you need to own it, embody it, and implement it into your life. And my challenge for you, if you are implementing something in your life and you feel that you do own it, how could you own it even more? How could you tweak it or improve it or become 1 or 2% better at that thing? So that's the word today, knowledge. And I hope you took something away from that, and you can now ensure that you own your knowledge and you implement it into your life. Thank you, Mandy from Mindset for Success.